Skyway 4890, speed 170 to GG.
170.
Skyway 4890, contact tower 120.905, good day. Skyway 4890, contact tower 120.905, good day.
2095, 4890. That's 4890, outside GG.
Skyway 4890, LA Tower, report runway 25 right, inside caution, make turbulence preceded by a heavy Airbus 330.
Runway inside, Skyway 4890.
Skyway 4890, clear visual approach, runway 25 right, runway 25 right, clear to land.
Clear visual 25 right. 4890.
Air 77, November Golf, 25 left.
Air 77, Miguel, LA Tower, caution, make turbulence heavy 747, hold in position, wind 250 at 17, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 25 left, 77 NG.
Chicago 5103 heavy, next to land is traffic for the parallel. Traffic to land for your runway 7 mile final, runway 25 left, line up and wait.
What's your line up and wait 25 left, Chicago 5.
Air 2623 heavy, right turn the next high speed.
Okay, right turn in Hotel 7, immediate 2623 heavy.
Chicago 5103 heavy, wind 25018, RNAV Hyper, runway 25 left, for takeoff.
For takeoff, RNAV Hyper, Chicago 5103.
That's 4890, traffic on the runway, waiting to go around.
That's 4890, you're clear for 25 right, you're landing for 25 right. That's 4890, go around, maintain 2000.
2000, that's 4890.
That's 4890, turn left heading 235 now.
Heading 235, Skyway 4890.
Nippon Cargo 5103 heavy traffic just ahead and to your left, turning southbound, climbing out of 2000 is a Embry Airport traffic in sight.
Looking at Chicago 5103.
That's 4090, climb, maintain 3000.
3000, that's 4890.
Inside, Chicago 5103 heavy.
5103 heavy, they're going to continue southbound away from you, maintain visual separation. Skies 4890, turn left heading now 220.
That's 220, Skyway 4890.
Skies 4090, maintain 3000, contact approach 124.3.
243, Skyway 4890.
Nippon Car 5103 heavy, contact SoCal departure 125.2.
1252, Chicago 5103.
Air 2623 heavy, cross runway 25 right, ground point 75.
Cross runway 25 right, point 75, goodbye, immediate 2623 heavy.
Skyway 4890, still got a departure.
Skyway 4890, 3000, heading 2202.
Skyway 4890, still got a departure, ready to contact, climb maintain 5000, you ready to head back to the field?
5000, Skyway 4890.
Are you ready to head back to LAX, Skyway 4890?
We're ready, Skyway 4890.
Skyway 4890, turn left heading 090.
4731, contact approach
125
left approach.
Go around.
25 left, unstable, and we're set up around, increase runway, Skyway 4890.